How to check RAM DDR type in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for CPUZ. That's the third party software we will use to identify which type of RAM is installed in our PC. So we just have to click on setup English like 32 or 64-bit version, and after clicking on it, it will redirect you to this page, and you just have to simply click on download now from here, and this is now downloaded, and you just have to simply click on that, yes, and then you have to click on I accept the agreement, and you have to locate the file where you want to install and select it and click on next and create a desktop icon and then install, and it's now installed. So after that, you just have to go to the Windows search bar and search for CPUZ software, and you have to just click on yes, and it will just load and open up, and as you can see, it's all showing my computer name and all, and we just have to click on the memory, so we can see the type is DDR4 of our PC. So that's it for this video. That's how you can see the memory or RAM type on your PC in Windows 11. That's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.